And in lesson 15, we are going to look at writing integers represented by arrows. Writing integers represented by arrows. So this is an arrow, and here they are saying write down the integers represented by, we have arrow x. Arrow x is starting from 0 and stopping in +4. But what determines our integer, whether it is positive or negative, is the direction it is taking. You may realize that a certain arrow is beginning from a negative sign by taking a positive direction. That one implies that arrow is a positive. However much is on the side of negatives, but so long as it is pointing in a positive direction. So what determines whether the arrow is positive or negative is the direction it is taking. Now let us look at example 1. And our example 1, we have arrow x. Arrow x is beginning from 0 up to +4. Therefore, we are going to count from here. When you are counting, don't say that 1 from here. No. You say this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4, is it positive or negative? The arrow is pointing in a positive direction. So the answer is +4. Arrow x equals +4. 2. We have arrow y. Arrow y is beginning from -8 up to -2. But which direction is it taking? It is pointing in a positive direction. Therefore, this arrow is also a positive arrow. Why? Because it is pointing in a positive direction. However much it is ending in negatives, but it is a positive because it is pointing in a positive direction. Therefore, then we count it. This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. But is it positive or negative? The arrow is pointing in a positive direction. So this arrow is a +6. Example 3. We have arrow P. Arrow P is beginning from +6 up to +2. But which direction? It is pointing this side, where we are finding -C. It is beginning from 6 up to 2. This is the direction. It is taking in a negative direction. Therefore, this arrow is a negative. So after knowing that it is a negative, how many steps has it taken? So from here, this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this arrow is -4. However much is ending in positives, but it is taking a sign for negatives. That's why it is a negative. Then, lastly, we have arrow T. Arrow T starts from 0 up to -5. And this one is also pointing in the negative direction. Even it has stopped in -5. Therefore, count from here. Going the other side. This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is -5. But I'm saying, when we are counting, don't just come and say from 6 you say that this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we get 5. But we begin from here, say this is it. 1. We count the steps. You see, this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Here we say step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we say that what determines a positive or negative, the direction it is taking. Once the arrow is pointing in a negative direction, that it qualifies to be a negative. In pointing in a positive direction, however much in the side of negatives, it becomes a positive. Thank you for attending the lesson. We'll meet in the next week.